Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button found right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video. And if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I always want to make sure that you guys know about it as well. So make sure to press that subscribe button and ring that bell, and you'll be all set. Also, while you're there, there is a thumbs up. If you press on that, it helps me get in front of other people because you're telling YouTube that you're enjoying my content. So if you have a second, I truly appreciate it. If you'll just press that thumbs up, you'll see a number increase as well as it turning blue, and that means that your number is being calculated and it's helping me on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for doing that for me. And the last thing I want to mention is we still have a giveaway for a Juno Moonshine cream that I worked with them to be able to do that. I'm going to leave that video, that giveaway video, in the description. And if you watch that, I also have a discount for them, and they have some really fantastic deals going on right now. So hopefully you'll have an opportunity to enter, and that's going to be, the winner's going to be at the end of the month. So if you have a chance, watch that video too, and that's, like I said, the link will be left in the description box. All right, today we are going through the second Boxycharm base box that I get on my channel. I end up getting two base boxes on my channel. It started when I started my channel because I wanted to have a base box during the Luxe months, and then they started doing customization. So I ended up keeping the second box because the customization choices, there was then usually only two, and I was able to put one in one box and one in the other. So the customization choice that I chose for this box is the GlamGlow product. I have been so impressed with this brand, and this product on its own is a $54 product in a $25 box. So I love that I'm able to have a channel to have this opportunity to show you all the products that are unique within the box. And then sometimes if we get duplicates, then we use those duplicates in future giveaways. So this GlamGlow, let me read to you all about it, and then we'll look at the cream inside. This is what I was most excited for to be in the box. This one is called the MoistureTrip. It is, this is the Glamping is what they're calling it for August 2020, and my variation number on this is 28 with a heart. And this is called MoistureTrip. It is the Omega Rich Face Moisturizer. They're saying it is a lightweight anti-redness moisturizer with Omega Rich cannabis seed oil that helps calm any irritation. It will relieve visible redness and optimize the skin's barrier defense against environmental assaults. And this soothing formula with hyaluronic acid is proven to hydrate all day and provides instant relief from skin stresses. Hyaluronic acid is a really expensive ingredient. Your body used to make it, and as soon as you hit your 20s, it starts to not make it anymore. So you have to look for ingredients or products that have that ingredient in it, because it definitely is a fantastic ingredient. So this is what the product looks like here. It has a safety shield, and it has like a marine type color to it, like a mint green. I'm going to take a little bit off the cap. That's what it looks like here. I should always smell it from the jar because I do use hand creams. Yeah, there's no scent to it at all. And sometimes I smell the hand cream scent as opposed to the product. And really, really excited to have that. This is what it looks like here. And like I said, I have had the opportunity because of Boxycharm to try a bunch of GlamGlow products, and I have not found one that I haven't fallen in love with. So this is a new one to me, and I'm very, very excited to have the opportunity to try it. The next item is from Trestique. And for some reason, I think it was my FabFitFun, and it wasn't the one that we just did now. I think it was the previous one. It was an option to choose, and I ended up choosing it in my FabFitFun, and it was a $48 value. This is from the FabFitFun, so these are the ones I'm going to show you because these I own and I use, and I've used them all summer long, and I've been enjoying them tremendously. So if you get these in your box, I think they're absolutely fantastic. But I did receive one in my other base box. So this is a duplicate item that will be in a future gift giving. And this one says it is called the Summer Glow and Go set. It is a must-have mini set to get your perfect summer glow in petite mini crayons. This mini set features the best-selling shades of the highlight stick, the blush stick, a brow pencil, and a shadow crayon. The ultimate on the go for your summer adventures, and this is a $42 value. And each stick is, this one is the highlight blush, this is the all over crayon, and then you have your brow. So it is a fantastic little kit. The next one was a second kit that they put in the box from Trestique. And that is what I'm a little bit disappointed. But with that said, I was hoping in one of the boxes there would be the Too Faced powder or the Fenty powder, because those are the items that I was looking at when I saw some of the sneak peeks that showed up in my feed. And that's why I don't like watching any sneak peeks, because for some reason when I see them and they're not in my boxes, I get disappointed, which is so silly because right after, I mean, this is a $54 cream in a $25 box. I would have been happy to buy in an add-on, you know, for $24, a $54 cream. So me saying I'm disappointed is silly, and I know it is, and it's because when I saw two Trestiques, that was my initial gut. So this one here is called the Matte for Every Mood. It is a mini matte lip crayon set, and every shade of this mini matte crayon to match every one of your moods. Enjoy this velvety, buildable color and weightless matte finish that will last all day. These ULTA soft matte lip crayons come in petite size and make a perfect on the go. And this is a $58 value. And then these are the colors that are going to be inside here. And they have a nude, a fig, a bright berry, a chili red, a Belize Bordeaux, and a Tuscan wine. Fantastic, fantastic colors. But I'm not going to open that either because I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that yet. But I will show you from here what like the colors look very similar. I am so excited that this is an item that is going to be in the box for other people that haven't had the opportunity to get this type of product yet, because it is a fantastic product. On all Trestique products, it looks like it's open, but it's not. This is their design with their color, with their cap looking like it is already open. When you get the full size of theirs, there is usually metallic closure. On the minis, there's not, but you just have to make sure that you click them closed, so that if you can hear that click, so that you know you're keeping the product as fresh as possible and they won't dry out. These formulas are matte yet creamy, and they are really, really nice, and they really stay on the lips really, really well, so that when you're eating or also when you're have your mask on, I find these are really fantastic products. So if you got them, it's a definitely winning product. The next item that I got was from Morphe, which is this product here. And it came in this box, and I'm going to open it up and then share with you what the items are inside. What they wrote here about Morphe is they're saying, oh, these babes, just the 4 natural synthetic eye brushes you need to pull off your gorgeous look. Go and give them a sweep. This collection includes an oval shadow brush, a pro firm blending brush, a crease brush, and a tapered mini blender brush, and an angle liner brush. They're saying this is a $12 value. Now Morphe, there's a lot of influencers that when I started watching YouTube, they were pushing Morphe like crazy. And they have affiliate codes and all that. So if you like any of these products, some of the bigger channels have those affiliate codes. So if you're looking at purchasing anything, I would definitely go on their channels to get that extra discount. However, on this set, I mean, $12 is fantastic, but these are very, very lightweight brushes. What surprised me when I opened it up to take these, we take the products out for pictures. I didn't open up this package even for the picture, but I was hoping that they would have numbers on this, but I guess this kit is made specifically for this kit here that's called I Got This, which is a 4-piece eye brush collection. Simply that it is made for this kit only. It's probably not brushes within their line. I can't figure it out. So this is your blending brush. It is absolutely beautiful. I think it'll be easy to use, and it feels really nice. I have never owned Morphe brushes before. I don't think I have. And I've heard mixed reviews on them, but these feel really nice. This is an angled one. This one is a smaller blending brush. And then this one is one of those flat packer brushes. And it's really small, so if you have smaller eyes, this is really nice to have. But this one doesn't feel like a synthetic brush, whereas these do. So that's really exciting. So really happy to have this in my collection. But I guess if I use these and I like them, then, you know, I'll get the other ones that everyone talks about, which is like the 433 and all those. So whenever those, you know, larger, the ones that are like the Manny MUAs and the you know, the Laura Lees, all those, they always have, you know, codes for these for Morphe because they've been affiliates with that brand. The last item that we got in here was one I was really happy was in my box, because I read some really great reviews on this. It's also available on Amazon. This one is called Thank Me Later. It is this Elizabeth Mott. It is an eyeshadow primer. I like eyeshadow primers. This one is one that I'm excited to have the opportunity to use. And it says this is a cruelty-free primer. It enhances your eyeshadow and protects your makeup all day. Apply this in the morning and all night long without worrying. It dries quickly and transparently, prepping your eyelids for a smooth and even application of your shadow. And this is a $20 value. Elizabeth Mott is more expensive. And the only thing is, I was hoping it was going to have a bit of a color to it, because I don't have any issues with my my eyelids being like dark or veiny or any of that, which a lot of people say they do, and that's why they like using eyeshadow primers that have a bit of a tint to it. But it shouldn't matter to me, but for some reason I seem to gravitate for ones that have a tint. So this will be something new to me. This feels really, really nice. Wow. Really, really nice. So this is great to make your eyeshadows last longer. And also if you use lesser expensive eyeshadows, always try it with an eye primer. It really kicks it up a notch, as well as if you have any issues where you have crepiness on your eyelids, a primer can help smooth out that skin also, so it enables the product to go on smoother. So really, really excited to have that. I think this is fantastic for a $25 base box. I think we did amazing. The only thing is, for me personally, because I got this in the other box, it's a little disappointing, but there's so many variations, you never know what you're going to get. But if you have not had the opportunity to try these, it is a win in the box. Just for me, it's something that I already own, and it has nothing to do with Boxycharm. It's because I also get the FabFitFun, and I chose it for myself. So that's everything that we got. So we have a moisturizer cream from GlamGlow. We have a couple of eye and face from Trestique. We got a 4-piece brush set that I'm going to have an opportunity to try from Morphe, and then we finalize it with the Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later eye primer. And once again, this is the Boxycharm August base box in the number 28. So that's everything I have for you guys today. Hope you enjoyed spending some time with me. I know for me, I appreciate so much that you do. And that's it. So everybody, continue to stay safe and stay well. And I will see you all in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.